newly built state highway, which was awaiting inauguration, was washed away in the Jhunjhunu district of Rajasthan. The state highway was constructed 6 months ago to connect the National Highway 52, which leads to Jhunjhunu, the district, as well as Sikar. The incident has raised questions about the quality of the construction material that was used in the construction of this particular project. We have Harsha joining us. Harsha, take us through, of course, a team from the Public Works Department is likely to inspect and also submit its report. But the preliminary investigations and, what is really being presumed at this stage is the kind of material that was used in the construction. And that is where the fault lies, apparently.
Well, yes, it caused quite a spectacle in that area of Jahaj and Baguli when on Sunday evening there was a lot of rain there in that area, about 86 is what we are told, and that, led to this Katli River flowing very fast. Now, the Katli River has faced several encroachments. It's also been the victim of sand mining and gravel mining, which will, of course, affect the flow of the river. But having said that, there was still no reason why this entire road should be washed away. Also, village people in that area who NDTV spoke to had reportedly told authorities that at least under, the road, make an sort of an anicut or make some kind of a path for the water to flow out, because this is a seasonal river and during the season it can actually flow a lot, especially when there's heavy rain. But that was not done, and then the entire road was washed away. Even as people watched and made videos. A team of the PWD is likely to inspect it. Village people say they have been complaining about low quality construction, but that will obviously be borne out by a report of the PWD and assessment by the engineers and the technical department of the PWD.